I'm always on point like a camera angle. Oh, come on. Yo.
I think you caught us at a bad time. He's normally the presenter, but he's trying to rap, so I'm your presenter for today. And what we're about to do next is find out who's the hottest rapper in South Africa. Step inside.
Give me number one and show me number one. 4, 5, 5 with my people on the
fact that you're the first rapper to come out here and open the doors, right? Did you set the standard, or did you just like give it a bit of a thing?
No, the bar is up here. I don't know for them short guys. They can't reach the bar, but the bar is up here.
I said it with Indo, with the new kids out your window. Hey,
do you have it, bro?
I actually believe that I do have what it takes, man.
Do you have what it takes to be next?
Definitely,
I don't hear that, bro. No, bro.
Yeah, I am. I am the next.
That's what I want. So, man, I heard you got a book of rhymes, man. I'm keeping on your boy. Yo. Man, hold on, good thing. Shout out your cover.
Makati mangiphala ngwagijimise ngegama ngichukuluza abasatshwayo ngwabize nangamagama dedeleni ngibadise besanhlanhlahla ngikhipha amagama ngwafaka ngwenze bhebhetheke kusiphe kumthambo yekhanda ngidivozisa abadisa nekade.
That's the finesse, like everything was out there, man. And Teezy might be next because his book of rhymes has definitely got that swag. You guys showed why this competition is so important. You guys showed why we built this beautiful studio. You guys showed why MTV should shoot a video. You guys showed why Kid X definitely should have a collab with you. With that said, do you have what it takes to be next